Welcome to Ebas Gallery channel. Automobili Lamborghini, in collaboration with two laboratories of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, marks the first steps of a possible future Lamborghini electric super sports car. On the occasion of this announcement, Lamborghini presents the new design concept Lamborghini of the Terzo Millennio. The concept physically imagines design and technology theories of tomorrow, while sustaining the visual intrigue, breathtaking performance, and most importantly, the visceral emotion found in every dimension of a Lamborghini. It is made for future super sports car enthusiasts. The technological goal of the project is to enable Lamborghini to address the future of the super sports car in 5 different dimensions: energy storage systems, innovative materials, propulsion system, visionary design, and emotion. The first 2 dimensions are conceived together with the 2 laboratories at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, the Dinka Research Lab, led by Professor Mircea Dinka, Department of Chemistry, and the Mechanosynthesis Group, led by Professor Anastasios John Hart, Department of Mechanical Engineering. The collaboration is substantially financed by Automobili Lamborghini and intended to lead to radical innovation in energy storage systems technology and material science. Stefano Domenicali, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Automobili Lamborghini, says, "Exactly 1 year ago we have signed an agreement with the MIT Italy program at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which marked the start of a collaboration between 2 outstanding entities for the creation of a project that intends to write an important page in the future of super sports cars for the third millennium. Collaborating with MIT for our R&D department is an exceptional opportunity to do what Lamborghini has always been very good at: rewriting the rules on super sports cars. Now we are presenting an exciting and progressive concept car. We are inspired by embracing what is impossible today to craft the realities of tomorrow. Lamborghini must always create the dreams of the next generation."
Invincible.